Hello, my beautiful wolf pack slash wolfies. We're going to be we are going to be a black fairy, okay? That's what we're going to be doing. Okay? We're going to try. Do not judge me if I cannot do this. Oh, that looks very ugly. Oh, no. Help. Oh my god, just help me, please. I need help. No. Please help me. We're gonna go for black. Can I go for black? I have like black hair in real life. Okay. Good. Okay. Please help me. Oh god, help. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god, help. Okay, hairstyle, please. We're just trying. Oh my god, this looks so ugly. No, we're just trying to do something cute. I have scrunchies in my life. No, maybe this one. Oh, that one looks kind of cute. Okay, sure. We'll do that. Sure. We'll go with that for now. If we find anything in here. Oh, this one looks kind of cute. Oh, I like it. No, I don't. Never mind. Maybe this one? Oh, that one's pretty. I like that one. What is this? That is Draculaura and Frankie, and I do not feel safe around that. Maybe we could just like go for a cute little hairstyle. Just like a cute little hairstyle. I'm gonna go with some blue. I am trying to do this, but this is the first time I've ever played this. I will be back when I choose a hairstyle. So we're back, guys. I'm trying to choose something. So we're gonna go with white and black. Trying to make it look cute. Okay, what are we going with? This one? This one looks kind of cute, I guess. Oh, this one actually looks better. Yeah. Describes me. Describes my heart. Black, white, and black. No, this is fine. I'm gonna go for face now. Oh my god, I can't even see my eyes. I'm gonna go for black. You guys can't even see my eyes right now. This is ridiculous. You guys can't even see my eyes. I don't know which one. You guys can't even see my eyes. Oh my god, this is so sad. You guys can't even see me. This is sad. This is very sad. Okay, this is sad. Let's go makeup. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna go with ruby red eyes. Why isn't this working? I just need help at this point. It looks so weird. Oh my god, no. Ah! Just can't even see my eyes. This is upsetting that you guys can't even see my eyes. It's good enough. Yes, level 1. Okay, what is my name gonna be? My name will just be... Please help me. Done coloring. Ruby. Yeah, that will be my name. Okay. Now, I need help with my face. It's because I have a mask and I can't take it off. I already tried that. It doesn't work. I just need help right now. That's all I need. Just some help. Okay, this one kind of works. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, so this one works. Kind of. No, it doesn't. I'm lying to myself. This one just looks weird. Okay, what am I gonna do? Do I need wings? Do I need to purchase wings right now? I'm gonna go shopping. I can't afford anything. Of course I can't. Okay, what classes do I have? Oh, I missed computer. Oh no. I'm an F student. Mine's gonna be 333 because that's, of course, 333. Okay. Open. Please open. Said 333. 3. Please. Combination. I need to make a new combination right now. Are you kidding me? 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna grab all my books at this point. I'm grabbing all of them. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh, okay. I have my chemistry. I did not mean to skip class. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Sis. Okay, I have my chemistry book. Mix the right chemical by pressing the buttons on top of the order to show at the top of your screen. Be the best. What? Okay, oh god, blue, 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 purple, boom, 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 boom. Okay, did I do it right? I don't know if I did it right. Blue, purple, blue, 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 yellow, blue, red, yellow, orange, green, orange, no, I didn't have enough time. Oh no, what did I do wrong? I think I did something wrong. Oh no. Was I okay? Oh no. I think I did something wrong. Oh no. I did something wrong. Oh no, I didn't finish in time. Oh man. Guys, should I do more of these? Oh, I got an A! I'm okay. Okay, I got an A. Yay. Put your books away. Okay. At last, lunch. Nom, delicious food. Okay, now it's time for food. Okay, let's go. Okay. This is interesting. Do you get to pick? Let's just, I'll go for a red apple. Sure. I don't think I... Wait, I have enough? Oh, interesting. Oh, yeah. I'm just eating an apple for lunch, okay? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I am allergic to apples, so let's hope that I don't die. Guys, in real life, I'm actually allergic to apples, so don't try to poison me. I will know through your schemes. Delicious. Absolutely nutritious. In real life, I would have died by now. Skirt! Okay. I need to go pick out a dorm, my dude. Never mind. Too broke. How much money do I have? Oh, I have 47 diamonds? Oof. I didn't know that. Okay. Can I go shopping? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find wings. These are black. These are 500. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Okay, what are my next class? Okay, so 1 p.m. is my art, so I should probably go get ready for art. Enchanted art, room 204. Can I decorate already? No, I cannot. Okay, so now I don't really have anything to do. I just have to wait, so we'll be right back. Okay, it is currently now 12:57. We're just waiting. Okay, I spent my entire lunch waiting here. Come on. Come on. Come on. 32,000 years later. 31,000 years later. Okay, let's go. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're perfect. We're amazing students. We care about the environment. We're ridiculous. Okay. Okay. Choose your own canvas and copy. Okay. 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 Book check. Paintbrush. Okay, so we need to do boom. How do you do this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh no. I don't know how to do this. Okay. What do I do? What? How do I do this? I don't know what to do. Guys, I may fail. Guys, I can't do this. I think it's broken. I think mine's broken. Oh no. Oh no. What do I do? Do I just paint weird stuff? I'm trying to paint, but it's not letting me. I think this is a problem. Oh no. It's not letting me do it. Okay. There's a problem. Oh, this was mine. Oh no. Wait, I can still do this. I can still probably do this. Wait, no, that was this. I'm gonna fail. Oh no, I'm so sorry, art teacher. I'm a dummy. You can expel me if you want. I'm a really stupid dummy. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this. Oh man, I suck. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm lost. I'm trying right now. I'm horrible at this. Oh god. Oh, I only have 10 seconds. Okay, this is horrible. Wait. Oh, I got an A! Yay! Oh my god, yay! I got an A! Yay! Now I need to find music class. This music class? Okay, this is music class, okay. Okay, I found music class. How long do I have to wait? I have to wait a couple minutes. Okay. We're basically on a break now. I don't know what to do. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Doom, doom, doom. I can't do that. What do I do? Am I supposed to go on here? Oh no. I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You don't see nothing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. 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 Help. Boom. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Sheet. Okay. I-U. I-Y. E-T-U. E-E-T-U. I don't know how to do this, guys. Am I doing this wrong? I think I'm doing this wrong. O. I don't know how to do music class. Great. Do 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 do. I just need help right now. Why isn't this working? Did I get an F? I think I got an F. I didn't know how to do it. Did I get an F?